Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video where we'll learn the XLOOKUP function in Excel. You can download the source file and also read more about the function from the link provided on the screen. XLOOKUP is a smarter version of the older lookup functions in Excel, like VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. It allows you to search for a value and return a result from anywhere in the range. Example 1. Find department from employee ID. Here's our first scenario. We want to find the department for a given employee ID. Type in the XLOOKUP function. The first parameter is the lookup value. Let's select cell F3, which contains the employee ID. Next, we pass the range where the lookup value exists. That's cells B3 to B12. Now, here's the key difference. VLOOKUP asks for the entire table range. XLOOKUP just needs the lookup range first. Then we specify the return range, which is cells D3 to D12. Another powerful feature, we can specify what to show if no result is found. For example, let's type not found. Unlike VLOOKUP, which throws an error, XLOOKUP lets us return a custom message. Hit enter, and there's the result. Change the employee ID to 1005, and it returns the correct department. Change it to 1011, and it shows not found since that ID doesn't exist. Example 2. Product price lookup. Next, let's work with a table that has product code, product name, and price. We want to return the price of a given product code. Type the function, select the product code, and instead of selecting a range manually, let's make it dynamic. Enter the table name, open a square bracket, and choose the column Product Code as the lookup range. Then enter the price column from the same table as the return range. Finally, add Code Not Found as the custom message if the product code doesn't exist. Hit enter and test it by changing the product code. The price updates instantly. Example 3. Grades from scores. Approximate match. This next example is useful when you want results based on exact or approximate matches. We have a table with score and grade, and another list with student name, score, and an empty grade column. We want to return the grade based on the student's score. Type the function, select the lookup value, that's cell C3. Next, select the score column from the grade table. Then select the grade column as the return. Now here's the trick. After 2 commas, enter -1. This tells XLOOKUP to search for an exact match or, if not found, the next smaller item. Hit enter and the grade appears. Double-click the corner of the cell to autofill for the remaining students. Example 4. Commission rate. Let's apply the same idea for commission rates. We enter the formula to find the commission percentage from the sales table. Notice something important. Even if we move the total sales column to the right or left, the function still works. This is one of XLOOKUP's greatest strengths. It can search left, right, up, or down anywhere in Excel. In the next video, we'll learn how to combine XLOOKUP with other powerful functions. And if you're spending a lot of time using just the keyboard, follow the link on the screen to learn Excel shortcuts. Click each shortcut to learn how to use it in depth. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.